Bitch, I go by Mike down. Shit. I got $250,000 worth of them chromosomes. Got ape shit in my veins. I was down bad.
What's good, YouTube? It's Chase Bag D. Hold up. Nope. And we're about to do another reaction video. Somebody asked me to react to this. It's by Jayden and Ryu Nightingale. Song called Go Splash. Never heard it. Never heard any of them. But we jumping in this thing blind. Word condom. Anyways, I don't know what y'all watching me for. I'm just a regular nigga on YouTube. Alright? Let's get it. Go splash.
Get that money, I can't stop. On the rise, I'm going up. Take a chance, I'll shoot my shot. Yeah, you know I'm on the block. Hey, I get bands, yeah, I'll pull up on the block. Make that money, and you know I cannot stop. On the rise, yeah, I'm coming for the top. Get them bands, yeah, I'm gonna shoot my shot. I get bands, yeah, I'll pull up on the block. Make that money, and you know I cannot stop. On the rise, yeah, I'm coming for the top. Get them bands, yeah, I'm gonna shoot my shot.
Drama. Hey, hold up. That's how I do, and that's how I do. I get more honey than Winnie the Pooh. Hey, give me the flow. Hey, taking it slow. Hey, pushing the dimes, keeping my rhyme. I'ma go ahead and get it one more time. I'ma get it, man. I'll get it one more time. Hold up. Hey, man. Hey, come in and cook me. I'm just like the Flash. Running real quick, man. I'm about to go dash. Counting the Rexy, I'm shooting the cash. Plus when the rock, man, I'm about to go splash. Pull it from 3, man. I'm shooting like clay. Dribble between just like I'm Trey. Ice in my veins just like LeBron James. You know my name, you know I'm insane. This is who I be, and this is what I see. I'm feeling the need to swim in the sea. Feeling real free, I'm shooting at 3. I'm feeling real queen, I'm feeling supreme. Giving the swish, man, it feeling really nice. I might even cook some ankles, man. I'll add all the spice.
No comment. Why you keep waving?
Get that money, I can't stop. On the rise, I'm going up. Take a chance, I'll shoot my shot. Yeah, you know I'm on the block. What? I get bands, yeah, I'll pull up on the block. Make that money, yeah, you know I cannot stop. On the rise, yeah, I'm coming for the top.
I don't even know if this is the right video.
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot my shot. I get bands, yeah, I'll pull up on the block. Make that money, yeah, you know I cannot stop. On the rise, yeah, I'm coming for the top. Get them bands, yeah, I'm gonna shoot my shot. I get bands, yeah, I'll pull up on the block. Make that money, yeah, you know I cannot stop. On the rise, yeah, I'm coming for the top. Get them bands, yeah, I'm gonna shoot my shot.
Alright, yo. I don't know who told me to react to that, but whoever did, y'all some assholes. Well, you an asshole. I didn't like that song at all. That was a disappointment. But I don't know what y'all watching me for. I'm just a regular nigga on YouTube. Alright.
Bitch, I go by Mike down.